how to share your memory to Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share your old memories to your Instagram story. Let's get started. Open up your Instagram app, go to your profile in the bottom right corner, go to the three lines in the top right, and there you'll find archive. Tap on it and then make sure that you are in stories archive. You can check it at the top. Just find the story that you want to share, tap on it, and then tap on the share icon at the bottom, and then you can put in the date if you want to, or you can even drag to delete it. And then you can see your story option. You can add a caption, you can make edits, you can change the music, and just tap on your story. And then that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.